Kami na lang pala yung inaasal. Business class. Welcome to Siargao! Hey, we're finally here in Siargao!
Kuya na tanggal.
Next natin, hanapin natin ang ating service. So, yung service natin, naka-pre-arrange nyo siya with our hotel. Lunch na kami, guys. We are in search of micro SD. Gusto ko nang libre ni Rod. Yay!
Libre ni Rod.